Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LLNW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's very nice movement, certainly some updates need to be made here. So first thing I want to do is a little house cleaning though, and this is just to make the chart easier to see from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into Friday and then next week, the newest level of support and what I would call the ideal level right there at 685. Ideal meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Well, yeah, ideally if the price could stay above 685, that would be a massive sign of power. But it's not like if the price goes down there and falls below it, then that all of a sudden means the entire chart's destroyed. But yeah, staying above there would be a great sign. Taking a step back though and looking at everything from the bigger picture, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the overarching standpoint and just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 685 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that's right there. Just building those higher bases, or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then give it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher lows, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.